Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing.
What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabs, and besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my Miniverse. Today, I am very excited to take a look at a new playset by Naturalistas. Here is Icon Salon. I bought this online from Walmart for $39.88. Naturalistas are created by Purpose Toys, founded by Dee Wright Ward. And y'all, I was so happy to consult on the design of this salon. It was a dream come true. Oh wow, and you can really see me in that mirror. This is a celebration of cultural beauty salons. With authentic cultural hair accessories, there are 23 pieces in this playset. On the back of the box, there is a picture of the playset, and on the side, there is a picture of the doll included, along with some character information. This is Dana, an LA native and owner of Naturalistas Icon Salon. With a degree in business and training from a top beauty school, Dana is a leading celebrity natural hair stylist. This is a businesswoman with the nickname the Coil Whisperer. Let's get this playset out of the box for a closer look. Let's carefully free the doll and accessories. In the box behind the mirror, there is an attachment and instructions on how to assemble Icon Salon that is made with 2 separate back walls and a salon chair. Since the back wall is 2 separate pieces, we can set up our salon however we like to fit our space. If we have a flat wall, we can place them side by side, change the order, or we can put them at an angle or even facing each other. The salon chair is white with a gold crown and a gold-colored base. The back of the chair can recline, so we can place it next to the sink, allowing the doll to lay down so we can wash her hair. The sink is white, we have gold-colored faucet and knobs, and it's on a white base. The base has a drawer underneath to hold accessories. And it looks like all the included accessories can fit inside. Above the faucet, we have some shelves. There are 3 white shelves with gold-colored poles, giving us about 3/4 of an inch shelf space from the wall, and a little over 1.5 inches between shelves. At the very top, it says Icon Salon, and the wall stands at about 12.25 inches. The other wall has a large mirror with Naturalistas above it in gold-colored lettering, and the mirror is trimmed with a gold-colored frame. It's a plastic mirror, and it's pretty reflective. On the side of the mirror, there is a hook, and right underneath it, there is a little cup attached to the wall. There's a white counter with a spot for a few accessories, and we have some shelving underneath. Here's the back of the playset, which is open, but if we want to make it a usable space, we can cut some of the packaging and use poster putty to attach it. Mine does have a few cuts and holes, but maybe we can use some greenery to distract the eye, allowing us to use some of the packaging and make it look like there's a waiting area. This is a plant from home and it is not included in this playset. However, this plant is. It's in a white pot and has green leaves. We also get a gold-colored blow dryer with a hand bracket, and there is a Naturalistas N on the side. There's a diffuser that we can attach so the doll can do some hair. And we can place the blow dryer right here, so it's always ready. We also get a small white spray bottle with the Naturalistas N, a pair of gold shears that can move. Let's place those right here. There's a handheld sprayer with a hand bracket that can be stored on the side of the sink. We have 2 pump bottles that say Naturalistas, and on the other side it says shampoo and conditioner. We have a gold bottle of leave-in and one that says detangle. There is a small gold jar of custard and a signature crown afro pick. If you've gotten any of the new Naturalista dolls, then you saw that they also came with a crown afro pick, but now we get one in miniature. The included doll Dana comes with her hair in a net And we gotta fluff up those curls and shape it how you like. Dana wears her hair in a wash and go ponytail. She has dark brown 3C hair. This doll is not pixelated. Her eyeshadow is a reddish color with gold on the lid. She has blush and lipstick. She wears large gold-colored earrings with the Naturalista N. The earrings are removable. She wears a pink mini dress with short sleeves. The edges are turned under and hemmed. There is a pink N at the top. The dress velcros in the back, and the velcro seems pretty secure. She wears pink, strappy heels and comes with a pink apron with pockets. Icon Salon is at the bottom in gold letters, and the apron velcros in the back. This doll has the basic 5 points of articulation with movement at the head, the shoulder, and the hip. And it is possible to balance them to stand. I think this playset is a pretty nice height. It's taller than the doll, not counting the hair. Depending on how you style her hair, it can totally look taller. Personally, I like how open the playset is. It doesn't feel overcrowded. There are no printed backdrops other than the one that I added. There are a lot of accessories for storytelling, and the salon looks pretty much in line with the one on their Instagram. It totally has the same vibe. And since the walls are separate, we can put together another playset to expand our salon, allowing Dana to grow her business. And now that we have 2 dresses, I put the second one on my custom page, whose eyes we altered as well as the lip color, and gave her more articulation by using the Naturalista Grace's body. In this video, let's place her in the chair to see how she looks. When sitting, the doll's legs do stick out, but we can lean her back a little and then slide her legs underneath the styling station, so we can pretend like Dana is doing her hair. And here she is reclined in the chair so she can get her hair washed. Naturalistas fall into the 1/6 scale category, so this playset could be compatible with similar fashion dolls. Overall, I like the color palette, the pink, the white, the gold, all the little accessories, and I would be very interested in seeing more playsets from Naturalistas. Thank you for joining us while we checked out Icon Salon. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time. Bye!
Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday.